Here's how going off track can get you on track. This is confidence hack number 58, and I'm going to talk about how a planned diversion can reignite the fire within you. And I'm going to give you some tools for how to do it. So, are you like me? When you get so focused on something, you tend to get stuck and frustrated just because you want to finish it so badly? You just keep searching for the right words, but now it feels like walking in cement boots to write a line or finish a project you started. Well, you're in luck. You're going to love today's confidence hack. When you create a planned diversion, it actually refuels the fire inside of you directed towards your main job, project, or career. Think about it. When you take a detour to get fuel on a road trip, you are increasing the length of the trip in terms of minutes spent on the physical road itself. But without the detour and refuel, you likely would run out of gas at some point on the drive and not only added minutes, but added hours to your trip. So the same goes for your mental capacity. If you decided to single-mindedly double down and direct your focus intensely pursuing until the completion of the thing you are trying to do, well, there's a good chance and many psychological studies to show you that you will burn out. And even if you don't burn out, your work will suffer because you didn't have any moments to recharge. In the book, Hidden Potential by Adam Grant, he outlines a study when people had spent engaging evenings on their side hustles, they performed much better the next day in their regular jobs. The progress on their side hustle created an extra boost of motivation that carried over the next morning to their day job. Distraction? No, actually motivational igniter. A detour doesn't mean you're going to go off course and about to crash at the bottom of a ravine. No, it's actually just a recharge and refuel to help your main journey become much stronger and much better. Psychologists have found that achieving a sense of progress doesn't require huge gains. Fuel comes from small wins. So the confidence boost today comes from creating a diversion of the main, I've been beating my head against the wall for days on end. What can that small diversion be? Let's think about it. If you are so all you want to do is you want to start this business. You got to have your business started, and it's all you can think about it. Step away and do something creative. Maybe play an instrument or go for a walk. You'll actually have more time for creative thought when you're doing something not of just super strict direct focus. So as you see, that's probably not going to get you to that business you wanted to start faster in terms of those minutes, but it actually will bring you back fresher, so you will have better thoughts, stronger thoughts, and eventually you'll actually get there faster by the diversion, by the detour. So decide what that diversion, what that detour is going to be for you today to help you improve on your main thing.